Yo, what's up guys, RG here from CS Bags. For today's video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in my remote start. This one, Prestige remote start. Let's go. This time, you can see the battery indicator is blinking and no more bar. So it's time to replace the battery. Time to replace a new one. In this version, put the flat screw there. Then twist it. There you go. You can now remove the old one, then replace a new battery. CR2450. This is the required battery in my remote start. You can now put the battery in. Alright. Pull bar now. If you guys just wondering why I use flat screw, because the battery compartment is so tight, you can't push that by your thumb. That's why flat screw is my secret tool. Oh, we're good. Now let's check if it's worked.
It's good. Work.
Alright, we're all good guys. Hope you guys like the video. Before I end this, I just want to give a shout out to my compadre Andre Obispo. Big thanks to you, man, for installing my remote start. Joy Ski Anything Goes, thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate that. Ernie Simbulan from San Diego, California, thanks for the giveaway, man. I really like it. I hope to see you guys soon. And Boss Almond Roca, Tropang Gahak, B-Pam family, thanks for the support. Keep safe, everyone.